We started our journey with Kiverco on our first plant, on our first yard, and then we moved onto a new site, which is our home now. And with Kiverco's help, we designed the plant that was ready for what we want to do.
Westminster Waste are a large operator within the London area, so they are handling large volumes of waste. The plant had to be able to process the high volumes of waste on a single shift. The single shift is important to Westminster Waste because it maximises their return on investment and reduces their operational costs and expenditures. Once they settled on this site, we did an initial site survey. The site survey is a key part to kicking off the project correctly. It allows us to work out site logistics for the customer. It helps us to understand how we can integrate the plant within the building as space is at a premium. It's very important to us that every plant we design maximises recovery, purity and minimises downtime.
Westminster Waste are a busy operation, so key to installing this plant was how quick we could install the equipment, because once the site went live, they were up and running. We could see from their existing plant that they were doing huge volumes of waste, so they needed a processing plant with the capabilities of doing 700 to 800 tonnes per day.
Kiverco worked very closely with our project delivery team to make it a smoother move as possible. And the plant is all singing, all dancing. It is what we've spent so long waiting for. We generate a lot of waste, third-party, external tip-ins, as well as our own fleet, and it's doing the tonnage that we require.
The plant has met all the targets that we designed it for. We have extra capacity built within the system, so we are also in talks with Westminster Waste about how we can make changes that will help get more products from the plant.
It's the biggest investment this business has made in 14 years of trading. I believe this investment will hold us in good stead for the next 10, 15 years. It will enable us to grow the business to the revenue target that I want to get to. Tonnage we can process. I've got no qualms in pushing it to its limit.
We work with the world's leading technology providers to ensure that we deliver a plant to the customer that meets or exceeds their expectations. This in turn provides a plant that maximises uptime and gives higher recovery and purity.
This is probably one of our largest plants in the London area. We have a great relationship with Westminster Waste, built over years of trust, and if Dominic asks for something, we come in, we do it. Kiverco have held the #1 position in the UK for C&D waste for many years. We have returning customers that have plants 14, 15, 16 years, so it's built to last, and that's why we're #1. We are delighted with how the project has went, and we look forward to working with Westminster and their team for many years to come.
I think the success has been because of our long-standing relationship with Kiverco. We know the system provided, we know it's built well, we know it's robust, it's key, it's the heartbeat of the business. It's been a success. I'm very proud.